Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle, 220, okay. Then, none this fill color, pick up the stock color. Select this circle and take rotate tool. Hold Alt and click here. Angle 49 degree, then copy. Again, reflect tool, hold Alt and click here. Copy. Select this circle, hold Ctrl plus Shift, copy and adjust. Again, hold Ctrl plus Shift, copy and adjust this circle. Now we take rectangle tool. Align horizontal and vertically center. Now pick up the fill color, non-stock color, hold Ctrl plus Shift, copy and adjust. Do same thing again. Now select this part and press delete. Now select all and pick up the fill color. Non-stock color, go to object and expand. Now take shape builder tool and draw your design perfectly. Our design almost done. Now change the color for more attractive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.